All right, I got to tell you that I got selected as a participant in a study for some anti-aging cream. How exciting. Do I really need it? Probably. So I'm going to show you guys what's in this anti-aging cream, and it's pretty easy. You got step 1, you just got step 2, and apparently I didn't get step 3 because I skipped to step 4, but it's the eye cream, which is unfortunate because it's the one that my wife says I needed the most. That's okay. So what I'm going to do is show you guys what's in the box. Step 1 is you get your cleanser, you got to clean your skin up and you exfoliate it. And then step 2 is you put the anti-aging serum on. Not really sure what that does, but we're going to do it for 10 days. I'm going to give you my honest review after 10 days. So that's step 2. 3 is your eye cream, which I don't have, but I got step 4. So I got the 3-part, which is the step 4 is just your cream. So it's just kind of like the lotion that you put on after you're done exfoliating, and you put the serum on and wash it off, and you just leave this on, right? So we're going to do that for 10 days. And I'm probably the best use case that they could ever ask for because I've never done anything like this before. Oh, look, it makes it idiot proof for me right here. So if I'm looking at this, I'm like, oh, what step was I on? Well, I only got 3 steps, so I can't screw that up. So we're going to take a look at this, and I will come back every single day for 10 days and give you my opinion after each and every day. All right, so this is how it's done. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You just kind of wash your face a little bit. Like, I'm giving you guys a tutorial because I honestly have never done this before. I am probably the best use case that this study could have, right? If it works on me, it can work on anybody. That's kind of what I'm thinking. So, see, I almost screwed it up. I almost put 4 on instead of 1. This is my first day doing it. We got 1. So by day 10, I better be a little bit better. So you just kind of put this on, you pump. There we go. Got to get a couple pumps in the hand. I guess I'm putting rice, ceramides, and oats on my face. Let's see how it works. Oh, I'm gonna take the hat off. Do this right. Get in the neck, the face, the eyes. Okay, there we go. Step 1, complete. Now, that was the cleanser. If anybody knows how to do this, let me know. Okay, step 2. It says after cleanser, apply 1 to 2 pumps. We're gonna do 2 pumps. I'm always a 2 pump person. Well, I can feel that. Probably because I just shaved. So I can feel that running. So 1, 2, and 3. We got the last one. Well, number 4, which is 3 is for the eyelids, I guess. And 4 is high potency. So again, after washing face and applying the serum, apply 2 to 4 pumps to the palm of your hand. So we're gonna do that. Oh, okay. You twist it up. So like I said, this is your lotion, which is awesome that you can twist it down. I'll show you that in a second. Gonna get that on. Ears. Honest opinion. Do I look younger? Did I anti-age? I can just feel me looking younger. My wife's gonna come home and she's gonna be like, who are you? I'm gonna tell you I can feel it working. Whatever it's doing it because, oh yeah, I want to show you this. This is kind of cool. You just twist it up and down so you don't have to worry about, I mean, that could be ideal for like throwing it in a backpack. Yeah, if you wanted to put that in a travel pack, you can travel with it. That's really cool because it's not going to open up and leak anywhere on you. So that's pretty cool. In fact, this one too. So that's probably what they thought about. Yeah, 10 days. I'll see you day number 2.